So thank you so much. Thank you for the invitation from WAIA. So it's my great honor to share with everyone here how iData help our new retail client, the Fresh Hippo, in achieving the omnichannel new retail vision. So let me check. Oh, okay, sorry, one moment. So as iData, I want to just briefly introduce our iData. The iData is a global leading company now focusing on the AIoT solution, including the tablets and scanners and also mobile computers. So, which our company is based in China, but for our revenue perspective, our revenue around 40% of our revenue is coming from our global market. You can see it's an overseas market. So we have too much successful case in multiple vertical industries, such as retail, manufacturing, and also transportation and logistics, and even also some healthcare. So, but today's topic will be it is retail. So I will just give you a case study about the Fresh Hippo. Fresh Hippo, so I will start from the Fresh Hippo's introduction and then end with how we helped our customer to do that. So the first is Fresh Hippo. Fresh Hippo is, I'm pretty sure a lot of people from China can know familiar with this logo, this company. So it's a retail chain store under the Alibaba Group, and it's especially in the fresh food. It's a unique feature is integrated online and offline operations. So we are a single stores service both physical and online shopping functions. Orders placed with by the application and picked by a delivery personal from the nearby store that within maybe within 3 kilometers and delivered to your doorstep just in 30 minutes. This model is proved very highly successful, especially in China. So how do they achieve these goals? So first, the store staff pick orders, pick order items from directly from the shelves. But at first they need to they get the order by our device. So which are then transported by overhead conveyor. You can see there's a chain. Oh, maybe next picture you can see there's a chain over here. Overhead is the store. So and then to use this chain with a tote bag to send all these items to the sorting zone. So there ensures that the order fulfillment and package for delivery do not interface with the indoor shopping. So actually you don't want to go to a store and you can see someone is packing some items in the store. That is not so good. So and by using and by using some high frequency daily necessary SKUs such as eggs, milks, and vegetables, they will attract online users very quickly. So that is why they are success. So they have got a large online customer base. So the core components of this system you can see there are two important things. One is overhead conveyor, and the second one is reusable tote bag system. So once staff place picked items into the totes, you can see the first picture. They pick some items from the shelf and then put it into the tote bag. So and then there are chains of overhead your head. There were a lot of tote bags just hang on here and then sent to the backyard to the sorting area, and then that in the sorting area, so another people will do some packing for your items, for your orders, and then they will be dispatched by delivery guys. So you can see that on the right side there is a delivery guy sending some items, some goods, some food to your doorsteps. Yes. And I should say three core hardware components are involved here. So the first one is the tote bag. Tote bag is I'll say it's just not a bag. It's uh, equipped with barcodes and RFID tags that then overhead conveyor. So these overhead conveyor chain and so moving tote bags from shopping floor to picking area. They're very important. I should say it's a very most important thing in Fresh People's ecosystem. So and the last one will be our iData handheld terminal. We call it mobile computer. So these terminals scan individual products, product barcodes, and shipping labels to ensure there's no miss, no error, and maintain accuracy in this omni-channel integration. Because they need to send out all items not send out. They need to deliver all items to your home in 30 minutes. That will be very important for using the mobile computer. So for the online order process, you can see I will share with you some screen. So at first the server there's a lot of server even inside the store. So the server pushes orders to your personal devices. The devices also belong to iData. So we have a lot of the iData devices running in every store. So the server at first push orders to their workers' devices. So pickers claim orders. They get the orders and scan the items, scan the products barcode, and place them in the tote bag. Just I told you before, and then send them by the conveyor to the backyard, to the sorting area. So in the sorting area, so someone supposed to pick up these items and then put it in the box delivery box. So in that area, they need to pack it, label it, and dispatch it. So finally, the data loop guarantees 30 minutes come down. Of course, start from at the beginning at the first scan and end with delivery. They're very quick. So, sorry, I need to. Yeah. So there is a pick-to-tote four-step to close the loop. At first, we can say in short four language, in short 4 words. First is grab. So grab service broadcasts the orders and accepts the order, and then lock. Lock means that the workers need to scan the tote ID and bind the order. They make sure that it's matched. The tote matched with the order, yes. And then scan and pick, because every item they need to be scanned by our device. So workers in the shopping floor, they need to scan every item and then scan there's barcode on the tote bag. Then you scan it both, so match it, and then. So, and also they need to check this third one is they need to check the items how say if there is some items such as vegetables, fruits, they need to check if it is still fresh or it's not so good. They need to check the freshness, and then they need to scan the barcode. And also for some milk or some food, they need to follow the rule about the first in and the first out. So then you check its data, and then hang and submit. Hang means they need to hang all the tote bag in the conveyor overhead, and then submit. So so and after that, after the first step, the item and the tote bag will go to the sorting area, go to the backyard. Yeah, it means. So I also can share with you some packing UI just on our device. You can see. Let me check. You can see that the UI. Just this is really this is the screen on our devices in the Fresh Hippo shopping area. You can see it. So the first on top on top of this screen, you can see that some items location. So the item location show you where's such as this worker want to pick some strawberry, so it will show where to get this strawberry, such as area B and the first counter number 3, and then the next will be the large product image. So that will be much easier for the picker to get the right thing, not to get the apple or some orange. That is not, make sure they cannot make this mistake. So, and then the name of this item, strawberry, and these 3, and you get 3 packs of strawberry. And also you can see the number is by red. So, and also there's a, if you scan, if you scan this barcode on strawberry, they will out count by scanning. You scan once, and the number will be 1, and you scan twice, the number will go to 2, and if you scan triple, there will be 3. So, and the last line, you can see the status of this order. So waiting for scanning, or scanning is done. So that is and with a beep and also some color change. The workers can get the feedback real time. Yeah, and also here is how to make sure there's no mistake, there's no error. So we need to do that. So first, how to say that? At first, they need to get the order and tote bag and delivery box also scanning to make sure they are matched each other. They be how to say, they if you get some order, try to pick up some milk, you cannot you need to scan the items, get the order and scan the SKU barcode, and then scan the tote bag, and then also you need to scan the delivery box to make sure everything is matched. And the packers that works in the packing area, they need to eat how is strong by the relationship between the tote box and order. Let us make sure there's no mistake. Everything related to by scanning. So, and also system enforced validation ensures zero mistake during the packing process. So the first is a scan. You can see that. So from left to right is we start from the scan all totes, list all items, and the scan delivery box. So there is a relationship between the top items, tote bags, and delivery box. And also, meanwhile, we will print out the packing label. So you can see in the packing area, you will get everything by the barcode. So, and then how can we do that for this fresh people? What iData have done for this customer? So that is the means that I want to show you what is what have iData done for our fresh people. The first of all is that you can see in the store, you can see a lot of our iData mobile computer, such as even if you want to get some fresh fish, vegetable worker in vegetable store, they need to scan the barcode or something like that. And we are not just providing the device for them, we're providing the total solution, such as in the one device covers 9 in-store workflows. Such as inbound, outbound, they need to use our mobile computer to scan the barcode. And also if you need to put away or storage, and also even you need to do some packing, you also you also need to use this device to scan the packing label, and also stock checking. Also need to scan the barcode with our device, and moving and return, and even double check, and even picking. So, but not only the device we provided them, but also we are as an OEM provider, we learn the needs from the field with our customer to build You can see the right side device. The name even not iData is Rex is Fresh People's own name. So we are research the needs from the field and make some changes from our device and to match these needs from the field. That means we OEM this device for Fresh People. We create it with our both side efforts. So that is what I'm saying. So we are not just providing device, we're providing the total solution. And also we're providing the OEM solution for them. So if you go to the store, you still can see these two devices. Yeah, this is all from my side. I know the time limited, so I say just a brief introduction for our solutions, which we used in the Virtual Hippo. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Leo, for the very exceptional case study. And we can see the presentation that's just explained the technical flow behind, as you mentioned, the 30 minutes delivery in smart retail of the Hema case.
Yep.
By Alibaba, right? Everyone know it's push forward a very big new retail sort of model change from China to other regional markets, and so it's quite it kind of can be seen as online and offline integration model nowadays, pioneered by the Chinese retail giants, not only Alibaba, but let's say, for example, JD.com, and in Europe, maybe
Yep.
Shein. Just in France, they run a physical store, right? So globally, they seems are making e-commerce into physical stores in return, as Leo just shared to us. So showing how the actually all the physical stores seems like being reinvented as fulfillment centers, or let's say store as a warehouse sort of model of the Fresh Hippo to achieve maybe higher efficiency through the smart hardware and data-driven operations, and very timely process to place all the orders and deliveries to end customers in different place out of the shop. So it's a quite typical proven business model, right? Already in China, but now seems expanding to other part of the world. So my question to you will be that do you think the Alibaba model can be easily replicable, or let's say copied to other markets and digital sort of models? How is iData preparing for your global deployments with other retail clients, and maybe which parts require the most important sort of localization when you want to copy and move to other international clients' case?
Yeah, so I want to start from the first question. It's about how if we can copy the same style as a Fresh Hippo to other countries. You may not find the same style in the the whole world, but actually there's one company they called Wegamans. It's from USA. And this company also providing the same thing like Fresh Hippo, but it is not same thing with what I'm talking. It's providing the cooking service in their store. So you can buy the fresh materials such as you can buy from Fresh Hippo, and then there is some guy can cook it for you. So you can get a very fresh cuisine from this store, and the same thing happening in Fresh Hippo now. But different is the omni channel. So there's no other company I can see the same thing, the omni channel. They combine the offline and online shopping in one store, which other regions there's no such a similar solution. But we are trying to bring this solution to our global customers. You can see no one can reject just laying in your sofa or by your cell phone and just all food will come to your house just within 30 minutes. No one can reject it, right? So even much then you drive your car to the store to get this food even much quicker than this. So I think this model is will be very good for our global clients. That would be great. And as to the number 2 questions, back to the Fresh case, we are not only just do retail solutions. So we are providing multiple solutions such as logistics and transportation, and even other such as healthcare and manufacturing as well. So we want to appear iData isn't just a hardware company, but we are solution provider globally, and we want to provide the cutting edge solutions with our partner. So we call it copy China to the world strategy. So that is we want to copy all of our local good cutting edge solutions, such as not just hardware but also software. So we want to combine as a total solution and together to provide to our global customers, to provide our global clients.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for yes, it's a very comprehensive answer. And I wonder if anyone from the discussion wants to raise some questions or comments or feedbacks to Leo. I know now the webinar has been quite long to the last speaker, but a very good case. And for me, it's a big thank you to the case sharing and also the total our 6 speakers as a whole for the very insightful presentations and interactions to share each one with a cutting edge trend and real world retail and logistics IoT solutions. So from everyone and from the global audience to joining us today, we hope to keep in touch with everyone. And so bear in mind if you have follow-up questions or some collaboration ideas for any of our speakers today, like Leo, like iData, Zealand, and HonorLink, and IoT Association from Italy, and Deutsche Telekom, and our American market consulting for retail. Thank you, Oscar. I see the comments. Yes, so we believe the interconnected market have different case opportunity and different pain points from the potential scenario client side and the system integrator side to choose maybe better solution device. So if you have any collaboration ideas, please leave a message for our WAIA team. Yujia and me and Mei Ting will help to connect you directly. And you are also welcome to inquire Yujia and Mei Ting to join our WhatsApp community to keep conversation going on. And we can also ask every speaker today if they would like to share their PPT session or to answer your questions. And we also committed to run the next webinar on time next month as well, to keep the topic and discussion going on, and for the AIoT innovation case in different key scenarios. So that concludes today's webinar, and let's keep in touch again for the next one, and hope to talk with you later after the meeting. Thank you all. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
If no question, bye-bye. Bye-bye.